I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Sonic shift knob. First, gather your tools, including a sturdy wrench, a protective cloth, and a small pry tool. Next, you'll need to prepare the area by carefully removing the shift boot or the surrounding console trim. Be gentle to avoid damaging any plastic clips. If your vehicle has an automatic transmission, you might also need to disconnect any electrical connectors located underneath. For manual transmission Sonics, the knob is often glued or press-fit. Wrap a thick cloth around the knob, then grip it with a large wrench. With a friend holding the shifter base, twist and pull upward with consistent, firm pressure. You may need to apply some gentle heat to the knob with a heat gun, or even soak the entire lever in boiling water to soften the adhesive. Patience is key here. If you have an automatic Chevy Sonic, the process differs. Begin by carefully prying off the top cover of the shifter assembly. Once exposed, locate the retaining ring, which typically holds the knob in place. Use a small pick tool to carefully pry this ring out. After the ring is removed, ensure all electrical wiring connected to the shifter is disconnected before proceeding. Once all retaining mechanisms are released, whether it's adhesive or a retaining ring, the shift knob should pull straight up and off the shaft. Before installing your new knob, take a moment to clean the shifter shaft thoroughly. When reinstalling, ensure the new knob is securely fastened and that all transmission functions, including reverse lockout, operate correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.